Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Kyle. This is KM in the AM.
Today we're going to have your local weather with Donnie.
And go live to Seattle with Dan.
But to start things off, we're going to have your weather with Donnie. Donnie? Thanks, Matt. So here in the Midwest, you have this high pressure system, or cold air. And on the east, you'll have low pressure, or warm air. Now, when these two combine, it's going to cause this belt of rain that you see going on right here. So, the high pressure system is going to push on through across the east coast, and it's going to leave the whole eastern seaboard with cold air. Now, the blue H's are for high pressure or cold air, and the red L's are for the low pressure or the warm air. Now, up here in Washington, we have this snow and rain mix. Now that's because it's snowing, but we have this low pressure system, which is just going to go right across the snow and turn all of that into rain or freezing rain. Now that's going to turn everything to ice, and it's very dangerous. But we have and we'll have a live story there. We have Dan up in Seattle, which is going to bring you a live broadcast about the situation up in Seattle. But first, we're going to have our 7-day forecast. So here's your 7-day forecast. You can see from Saturday to Sunday, when that high pressure system moves in and all the rain clears out, you're going to see the dramatic change of temperature from Saturday to Sunday. Now back to Kyle at the desk.
Thanks, Donnie. Looking forward to that weather. And now to Dan, who's roughing conditions in Seattle.
Okay, out here in Washington, we have gotten 8 inches in the past 3 hours. This is awful. You need to stay off the roads. Town officials say, just stay off the roads. We have a short clip to show you that tells you to stay off the roads, please, so you don't get hurt. As you saw in the video, people are slipping everywhere. Here's some tips to stay safe. You can put salt and sand on your walkways to add friction so you don't slip as much. And as the roads and walkways are getting that done to them right as we speak. And then should be low pressure system coming in the next hour, which will turn all this snow into ice. So that's another reason why stay off the roads. Back to you, Donnie.
Wow, Dan, better you than me. Well, I hope everything improves out there. Now we're going to take a short commercial break. Don't move. Hi, I'm Matt with Bounty. Here to show you today that the ShamWow does not work as good as the original paper towels. Now on the commercials they say how the water just absorbs, the ShamWow just absorbs the water. But it really doesn't, it just moves it around. Wash with the paper towel. It absorbs it all, and you can see it. Evidence. So next time, stick with Bounty. Welcome back to KM and the AM.
Thanks, Dan, for roughing conditions in Seattle. And thanks, Donnie, for telling us our weekly forecast.
Hope everybody has a good rest of your day, and hope to see you back tomorrow morning. Welcome back to KM and the AM.
Thanks, Donnie, for roughing conditions in Seattle, and thanks, Dan, for telling us our weekly weather. Said the wrong people.
And oh, did you?
Yup. I said Donnie for roughing conditions.